Hey guys, what's going on? Tyler here from FlexArm, the Tap and Arm guys. The reason I'm reaching out to you today is I wanted to share a quick story with you. So we recently had a prospect out of Monroe, North Carolina, Huggins Tool, went ahead and sent us some parts in for a tap test. So our friend down there, Tim, was having some issues with tap breakage. So they're tapping into some 4140 pre-hard steel. They also get into a variety of different other alloy steels. And he was tired of breaking taps and was looking for a better way to prolong his tool life. So he went ahead, sent in a tap block. We're tapping 1024, 5/16, 18, and half 13 taps. Again, threading about 1 inch deep, blind holes in the 4140 steel. So in order to accommodate that half 13 tap, we set them up with the R&R pneumatic tapping arm and the GH18. So the reason that we did this is just to show the difference in speed. So on the R&R and the lower gear, we're limited to 100 RPM. However, with the GH18, we got the speed governor on the power pack, and we actually fine-tune our RPM speed. So with the GH18, we were actually able to thread the half 13 tap at about 250 RPM. So just to give Tim the additional option, pneumatic versus hydraulic, we went ahead and showcased that there in the video. So if you have a similar application where you're getting into some alloy steels, the D2 steels, P2, 4140 for example, go ahead and send us your parts in for a free tap test. Again, my name is Tyler here at FlexArm. Go ahead and give me a shout when you can. 1-800-837-2503. Thanks.